All right, welcome back. Today we're doing a deep dive into something very specific. It's the 6PCS Eyebrow Trimmer Set.
Right.
This little kit promises to be the go-to solution for anyone who finds, waxing or threading a bit
A
much.
little intimidating, yeah.
So our mission is to cut through the marketing claims, look at the reviews you sent us, and figure out if this six-piece set really delivers on that promise of precision and beginner friendliness.
Okay, so let's unpack this. Our job is basically to connect those slick marketing words like ease of use and precision directly with the physical product.
The hardware itself?
Exactly. The materials, the design, and then see how that stacks up against what real users are actually saying.
Sure.
We're looking for the signal in all that noise.
Let's start right there with the hardware. The main tools here are these curved stainless steel blades. Before we even get to the reviews, what does that choice of material tell us?
Well, what's fascinating here is that stainless steel, even in a cheap kit like this, is kind of non-negotiable for skin safety. It's hypoallergenic, and it's way more resistant to rust than, say, coated metals. So it suggests some longevity. But let's zoom in on the geometry of it. The curve, that's the important part. A curved blade is designed to hug the brow bone.
Right, to follow the contour.
It navigates that arch zone with fewer sharp corners than a simple straight razor. So that's where the precision claim actually comes from. It's the action, not just the metal.
That makes a lot of sense. So it's the shape that helps a beginner, not slice their forehead open.
Basically, yeah.
And then you have the bonus features, the scissors and this little comb attachment.
Which the sources noted are supposed to be this neat all-in-one bonus for trimming and shaping. For everyone.
So this brings us to the user feedback, which gives us a fascinating counterpoint to all the marketing.
It really does.
Did people actually feel that material quality, that durability? What really stands out when you look at hundreds of these reviews?
The main takeaway is this. For basic, everyday maintenance, it gets high marks. Especially for beginners.
Okay, so it works for its target audience.
It seems so. Users consistently bring up the ergonomic design, how easy it is to control. And that, like we just discussed, is crucial when you're working around that delicate arch, that core trimmer. It's a definite win.
Hold on, though. Win might be a strong word. Because while the main steel blade holds up pretty well against dulling, the reports aren't all positive.
No, not at all.
The sources pointed out two major trade-offs. First, occasional nicks are still a thing. It's an occupational hazard, I guess, but important for anyone with sensitive skin.
And the other flaw, which is maybe more telling, is the attachments.
Ah, the extras.
Yeah. That comb in particular was described as feeling, and I'm quoting here, a bit flimsy. It just doesn't deliver that professional level of trimming.
I see. So the multifunctionality might actually be a drawback. It could overwhelm or just disappoint people who want high quality in every piece, not just the main one.
It's a real cognitive load problem. It's baked into a six-piece kit. You start to wonder if they just threw in those flimsy parts to hit a certain price point and be able to say it's versatile.
Right.
And if we connect this to the bigger picture, its main value is economic. You're trading that perfect professional polish for at-home convenience.
For a budget price.
For a budget price, yeah.
Yeah.
It's reliable, but it is definitely a no-frills kind of kit.
So what does this all mean for you, the listener? The bottom line from all our sources is that this thing is straightforward, it's effective for light grooming, and it earns its beginner-friendly reputation.
Mostly thanks to that core curved blade.
Exactly.
But if you are a precision artist or someone with really delicate skin that gets irritated easily,
You might want to skip this one.
you might. You'll probably find that professional tools or just seeing an expert are still your safest bet. This is not the tool for absolute perfection.
So the set doesn't reinvent the wheel, but it doesn't crash it either. It delivers on its most basic promise. So what's the big takeaway here for someone trying to make an informed choice?
Well, given that our sources suggest this product is great for just, light grooming without a big commitment, it makes you think. Consider this. What other common, inexpensive beauty tools promise some kind of revolutionary precision, but actually just rely on simple, durable, reliable, material science-like basic stainless steel to deliver perfectly adequate basic results? Something to mull over until our next deep dive.